Hello! Are you getting ready to travel and again thinking about how not to be left without the internet abroad? Roaming is expensive. Local SIM cards are a quest. How do you like the idea of connecting to the network right from the plane and not having to run around looking for a store? Meet Travel eSIM. Today, I'll tell you how it works, how it's useful, and why I personally no longer travel without it. Let's be honest, we all want the internet when we travel. Navigator, translator, hotel reservation, order a taxi, all through the phone. But roaming is often a waste. But buying a local SIM card means time, queues, a language barrier, and a bunch of settings. Especially if you are in Thailand, Japan, Dubai, or Europe. Everywhere, there are different conditions and networks. And this is where Travel eSIM comes in, a virtual SIM card that you load directly into your phone. Without a physical card, without replacing your regular SIM. You just scan the QR code and that's it, you're online. It's fast, convenient, and works in most countries around the world. eSIM is a chip built into the phone that allows you to connect mobile profiles directly from the internet. It's like downloading an app, only it's a mobile connection. You can have both a regular SIM card and an eSIM at the same time. For example, eSIM for the internet abroad, and your own SIM for receiving SMS from the bank. 1. Go to the website of the eSIM provider. Examples: Airalo, Nomad, Halafly, Simtex. 2. Select a country or region. For example, ISA, Southeast Asia, valid in several countries at moment. 3. You buy a tariff. For example, 5 GB for 7 days. 4. You receive a QR code and instructions. 5. You scan it through your phone settings. And that's it. It's connected. Without a physical card, nothing is lost. No need to go to the store. You sign up in advance. It works immediately upon arrival, especially convenient when you need to order a taxi or open a card. Flexible tariffs. You can buy internet only for a few days or for a month. Safe. No need to insert other people's SIM cards. Can work in parallel with your SIM. Convenient for bank SMS. eSIM support is not available on all phones. Make sure your smartphone is suitable, iPhone XS and newer, Samsung S20 Plus and newer, etc. Some operators do not allow the use of an eSIM with a physical SIM. It is important to enable data transfer specifically for eSIM if you use both. If you love to travel and want to always be online, eSIM will become your best friend. I connected it in advance, activated it upon arrival, and that's it. No extra expenses, no unnecessary fuss. Convenient, modern, and economical. If you want, I can show you how to connect eSIM step by step. Write in the comments.